Let's peek beyond political candidates' promises and see how statistics can help us to answer the question, whose interests will a candidate be lobbying for? We have two candidates. Let's say candidate number 1 raised $1 million, and candidate number 2 raised also $1 million. Well, this information isn't very helpful. It doesn't allow us to differentiate between the candidates. How about we build a histogram to dissect this data by donation size? Let's zoom into candidate 1's graph. The first bar represents a number of donations that were less than $50. This bar is by far the tallest in the chart. There were fewer donations that are greater than $50, and there were no very large donations. This means that this candidate received mostly small donations. Let's compare these results to candidate 2. Candidate 2 had fewer donations that were less than $50 compared to candidate 1. At the same time, they had a few very large donations, while candidate 1 had none. Even though there aren't many large donations, they contribute a lot to the overall sum of the money raised. Now let's see how much small donations contributed towards the total amount of money the candidates raised. Candidate 1 got most of their donations from people who donated the smallest amounts. They are most likely regular citizens. In comparison, candidate 2 had a much smaller share of donations from lower income individuals, but had most of the money come from wealthy donors or large corporations. Now we have more insight about which group each candidate represents. Please refer to my other videos about how to build a histogram and a pie chart, and the pie chart versus histogram video to learn when it is most appropriate to use each. Thanks for watching! This video is part of my Data Analytics Statistics course. Subscribe to see more of this type of content.